Welcome everyone. Today we'll discuss the importance of building an emergency fund, your financial safety net for life's unexpected events. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and protects you from financial stress during challenging times. Let's dive in and explore why this is a crucial step towards financial stability. Think of an emergency fund as your financial umbrella. It shields you from the sudden downpours of unexpected costs. This fund is specifically for emergencies, not planned expenses like vacations or a new car. By having this safety net, you can address these situations without jeopardizing your financial goals or accumulating high-interest debt. Life throws curveballs. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, mitigating the stress and anxiety that come with unexpected expenses. It prevents you from going into debt, which can snowball and derail your financial progress. Moreover, it protects your long-term savings earmarked for important goals like retirement. Ultimately, an emergency fund empowers you to navigate financial challenges with confidence, fostering a sense of security and control. The ideal emergency fund amount depends on your specific situation. A general guideline is to aim for 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. This ensures you have a buffer to cover your essential costs during challenging times. However, factors like dependents, health insurance coverage, and job security may influence this target. For example, someone with a chronic health condition might aim for a higher amount to cover potential medical costs. The key is to regularly review your emergency fund goals and adjust them as your life circumstances evolve. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline. Start small, but be consistent. Even a small amount saved regularly can make a significant difference over time. Consider automating your savings to ensure you're consistently building your financial safety net. Track your progress to stay motivated and celebrate your milestones. Additionally, review your budget and identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. These savings can be directed towards your emergency fund, accelerating your progress. When choosing where to save your emergency fund, consider factors like accessibility, security, and interest rate. High-yield savings accounts are a popular option, offering easy access and competitive interest rates. Money market accounts may also be suitable, providing some withdrawal capabilities for emergencies. Reaching your emergency fund goal requires a strategic approach. Set a realistic and achievable savings target to avoid discouragement. Track your progress to stay motivated and celebrate your milestones along the way. Continuously review your budget and identify areas where you can reduce spending. Every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your financial safety net. Consider a side hustle, like freelancing or a part-time job, to accelerate your emergency fund growth. There are also fun savings challenges you can participate in to add a gamified element to your journey. An emergency fund is a fundamental building block of financial security. It provides peace of mind during challenging times and safeguards your long-term financial goals. Begin with a small, achievable savings target and gradually increase your contributions as your situation allows. Remember, consistency is key. Celebrate your milestones and stay motivated on your journey to financial security. With discipline and planning, you can build a robust emergency fund and face the future with confidence.